Welcome back to one more useful and interesting video. In this video, I am going to talk about Dr. Abdul Kalam Scholarship for Medical or Engineering Aspirant. First of all, talking about the program. Dr. Abdul Kalam Scholarship for Medical or Engineering Aspirant is an initiative of Body for Study India Foundation to financially support meritorious students from economically weaker section. The scholarship aims to help needy students and enable them to complete their professional program in higher education. The financial assistance is only meant for students who take admission into any government recognized public or private engineering or medical institution. Body for Study India Foundation is a not-for-profit organization. It has been helping deserving students who face financial problems in completing their education. Now talking about the eligibility criteria for Dr. Abdul Kalam Scholarship for Medical or Engineering Aspirants. Open for students appearing for national or state level medical or engineering entrance exam. Applicant must be an Indian citizen. The applicants must have passed class 12th board with minimum 55% marks. Please note that the students appearing in board examination in 2021 are also eligible to apply. However, they will have to present the result sheet after their results are announced. The annual family income should be less than 3 lakh per annum. The last date to apply for that scholarship is 31 December 2020. Benefit you get by that scholarship is 20,000 rupees. How can you apply? Go to the official website Body for Study and find out the scholarship named Dr. Abdul Kalam Scholarship for Medical or Engineering Aspirant, and on that page you will find the direct link to apply now. And now covering some of the frequently asked questions from applicants. How to apply for Dr. Abdul Kalam Scholarship for Medical or Engineering Aspirant? You can follow the following steps. Log in to Body for Study with your registered ID and land onto the scholarship application page. If not registered on Body for Study, register at Body for Study with your email, Facebook or Gmail account. You will now be redirected to the Dr. Abdul Kalam Scholarship for Medical or Engineering Aspirants detail page. And at the last of that page, click on Apply Now button to begin the application process. Fill the required details in the online application form. Upload the necessary documents as part of the application process. Click on the Submit button to complete the application process. Next, what is the selection process for this scholarship? The selection of scholars for the Dr. Abdul Kalam Scholarship for Medical or Engineering Aspirants involve a multi-stage process. The scholars will be selected based on their family income, academic background. The key steps of the selection process are here. Screening of scholarship applicants based on financial need and academic background. Telephonic interviews for further shortlisting of candidates. Face-to-face interview for final selection if required. Next, what are the documents required for Dr. Abdul Kalam Scholarship for Medical or Engineering Aspirant? The following documents are required to upload it at the time of application. Photo identity proof, address proof, class 12th mark sheet, self-attested copy, income certificate, bank account details of the scholarship applicant, cancelled check or passbook copy. The admission receipt to an engineering or medical program will be required for the final selection round. Next, can first year and second year engineering or medical students apply for this scholarship? No, this scholarship is only open for students appearing for national or state level medical or engineering entrance exam. Next, I am not able to select the present or aspiration class in education details. What should I do? The students who are appearing or have passed class 12th examination can apply for this scholarship. If you do not fulfill any of this condition, you will not be able to select the present class in the form. However, if your current class is 12th or 12th pass and still you are not able to select the present class, then please share the error screenshot on email ID info@bodyforstudy.com. Thank you for watching this video.